What's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. So ngayon guys ay rest day namin ngayon ni Jowa. Ayan, na bagong gupit. Haircut check. $30. So ngayon guys, rest day namin ay may pupuntahan kami isang farm dito malapit sa bahay. 15 minutes drive going there. So magfo-fruit picking kami guys. So isa yun sa mga sikat na activities during summer here in Canada. So I don't know how much will I pay or will pay. How much? Do you have an idea? No idea, but we're gonna update you later if how much siya. So makikita nyo yung farm na malapit dito. So dito lang siya sa St. Nicholas sa west side ng Levis. Okay, so ngayon naka-ready na kami. Magda-drive na tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Ang ganda ng gupit niya, no? Yan guys, on the way na tayo. Ito yung bridge ng Quebec City. Hindi na nakita. So, actually dun siya sa St. Nicholas. Malapit siya dun sa trabaho ni Hugo.
Gira ligeramente a la izquierda hacia Quebec 132.
Quebec.
Indicaciones para Quebec 116, Saint Nicholas. Continúa por Quebec.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa La Farm à Frédéric. Yung pangalan ng farm. Ayun. Ayun guys. La Farm à Frédéric. Dito lang siya sa Saint Nicholas. So, ayun yung mga farm. Animal. Sinong animal? The fries. The fries or the strawberries. So, ngayon guys, magpo-fruit picking tayo. So, 19 months na ako dito sa Canada. So, 1.5 years. Pero ito yung first time ko na magpo-fruit picking dito. 4 years? My goodness. Yeah. So, siya, for 4 years na siya dito at first time niya magpo-fruit picking. So, during summer lang kasi yan, diba? So, ayan, let's go. Siya. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin niya dyan. Entree.
Soit. C'est parfait. Puis dans le fond, vous pouvez vraiment...
C'est combien sur un minute? $8. Pauvron. $1.99. Quoi mange? Mi amor, you need to translate me in English for my blog. Del pepper. Patat. Ducacanes. Mga patatas. Ito, it's fresh. Not so expensive. $2.99. Sushi. Parang cucumber. Tas lettuce sa mine, $2.49. What's that? Sibuyas. What is it? How much? Mi amor, this is all fresh from farm, right? Mais? And from boss. So, yung presyo niya guys, yung isang ganito ay $8 plus tax. I don't know. Basta isang ganito siya $8 tapos unlimited ka na magpo-fruit picking. Ito tignan niyo guys, sobrang ganda ng ng view. So, ayan, $8. Say hi. Hi. So, ito yung diyan kami magpo-fruit picking guys. Ayan. So, may mga farm dyan. Mamimitas tayo. Let's go. Ah. Naglaro ang bata. So, hindi siya ganun ka-expensive kasi $8 lang eh. So, pag kinonvert mo siya into Philippine peso, it's like 8 times 40 pesos. So, 320. Tama ba yung math ko? So ayan na, sisimula na tayong mag fruit picking guys. So framboise, ano nga sa English ng framboise? What's the framboise? Raspberry in English? Raspberry? Okay. Did you bring the thing for the camera?
In the car. Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Take and turn.
Kamsa? Kamsa? Kamsa?
Yeah.
No, I think I did not.
Like that. Stay.
Okay. Okay, so we're not gonna pull this.
You need to be very sweet because it's delicate. How's your experience? Because it's good.
So how was it your first time to fruit picking?
So good, but we need to take a lot for.
What's that?
For the water.
Okay, the water. Ang laki niya guys, so meron pa doon. No? Hindi ko alam kung punta kami doon. Are we going to there, to the other side?
I don't know. We can check. Yes. I think it's different.
Sobrang relaxing naman dito guys. Look at that. Wala masyadong tao. Ito pa lang yung napipitas namin. Pumunta si Hugo dun sa sasakyan para kunin yung tripod. Nakaka-relax naman dito. Tapos ang ganda pa ng weather kasi hindi siya masyadong mainit. Okay. So may mga goat din. Hi! Mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Hi, goatie! Okay. Duck. Oh, mga... In English, it's rabbit. Lavender din siya guys.
This is yours.
Okay, so guys, this is the technique to get the raspberry
Just
properly.
reds.
Yeah, sabi niya. So may konting twist. Ayan. And then naiwan yung parang buto. Parang buto. Ang dami niya na nakuha. Ako wala pa masyado. Target lock to guys. Ganda oh. Sobrang pula oh. We're almost near to finish. Look at that. It's so satisfying guys. So yun guys, after so many minutes of picking, we're done. So yun guys, dalawang punong-puno. So full of baskets.
Punong-puno.
So babayaran na namin siya for $8. Tapos maghuhugas ako ng kamay kasi tignan yung sobrang lagkit. Kasi may nakuha ako na hindi magandang quality, kaya siguro ganun. Kasi yung kanya wala naman. So napakasarap na activity nito no, na sobrang relaxing. For just $8, may enjoy mo na tong view na to. May mga games siya, ganyan, mga pa-mini games, ganyan. So yan, mag-aakit na tayo ulit doon sa shop para bayaran to, makuha natin. So yun guys, tapos na kami. We're done?
We're done. $8 each one.
So ayun guys, tapos na tayo. So yun lang guys, dito na natapos yung video natin about the activities dito sa Canada during summer, which is isa ito, yung fruit picking. So napaka-relaxing niya, no? So para ka lang naglalakad lang, tapos kuha lang ng mga fruits or whatsoever, and then ang sarap ng hangin, so refreshing. So it's a one must experience na dapat nyong ma-experience during summer, ha? Experience. So yun lang guys. So kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, please like, share, and subscribe, and mag-leave na rin kayo ng comment para sa mga next video na pwede natin gawin or mai-suggest kayo or something. So yun guys, thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye.